Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be testing the LifeBasis Ultrasonic Cleaner that I picked on Amazon. So I'm gonna just walk you through how I use it and what I feel about it. This is the little basket that comes with the product, and this is the stainless steel tank. This product comes with a lot of features: large stainless steel tank, digital control, touch sensing control panel, multiple safety certifications. There are a lot of time options, but I normally go with 3 minutes. And the user manual is super straightforward, so it's very easy to use. So now I'm gonna show you how I'm using this cleaner for my glasses. You just have to place the glasses in the basket and place it on the stainless steel tank, and then add tap water directly to the tank, and there is minimum and maximum marks, so you have to check on that. Now I'm going to be switching on the product. You can close the lid, and I usually keep it in 3 minutes. I used just with water, but if you need, you can add a little bit of dish soap or something to clean. And there are some articles that you should not clean in this product. Some pearls and soft gems, and I will be listing them out on the description box. You can keep the lid open, but I prefer using it closed. But it's very addictive if you see the waves coming out, and then how does it clean, and it's super addictive. So now I'm gonna remove the glasses carefully out of the stainless steel tank, and look, it's way cleaned. Wow, it's super nice and cleaned. And this is the watch stand, comes with the product, and from this watch stand you can clean the watch bands. So it's super easy, and you have to fill the stainless steel tank with normal tap water. If you need, you can add some dish soap as well, but I prefer the normal water from the tap directly. Now I just keep it as it is, I mean 3 minutes, and then I switching on it. And there is something to be considered, that is, you should not switch on the product without water in it. So look at this, the waves cleaning the watch band. I feel so satisfied to see this. It's really cool. So normally you can clean eyeglasses, and then necklaces, rings, earrings, watch band, diverse watches, makeup brushes, denture, retainers, night guards, mouth guards, electric shaver head, electric toothbrush head, clippers head. And so look at this watch band, I'm so satisfied with. I would really recommend the product, especially if you're wearing glasses, and I'm super happy with my purchase. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.